Now then, here we are again. Back out again. I've come out for a walk today, a bit of a hike. Macclesfield Forest. Never been here, as I was saying, I've been all over the Peak District. So let's have a look what we've got going on then. So we're right in the deep in the woods, sort of. Literally parked up and come around the corner and it's straight into the woods. So I'm very happy. But as you can tell by my breath, it's all up bloody hill. It was been a bit cooler today, so we was like hoping for a hill, and then it's just been all hill. I was meant to be doing my first solo wild camp on Friday night, just gone, but my anxiety won, meaning that I didn't go. I didn't leave the house. I got everything ready, packed up and that, and then I just didn't go for whatever reason, and just let my anxiety rule, and so it didn't happen. But it will happen at some point. These hills, I'm not as fit as I thought I was. I think a good course of action is to go to a campsite that I'm familiar with, that I've been to a few times, and try and get it there, which I think would be fine. So I've messaged one campsite that I've been to quite a few times, see if I can book in this week, and if that does happen, I'll of course bring that out as a standalone video as well. Oh, these hills are no joke. Oh god, I gotta go back. I keep wanting to record like some of the scenery, but it's like copy and paste, like when you watch a cartoon. I just use the same background over and over again. Like that, so it's not really that much to see at the moment. But if it changes, I'll obviously show you. Got a bead on already anyway, because it's warm. Oh man, Call of the Void. What they turn off? That's where we went before, isn't it? Oh damn. Oh no, it's not. It's where we drove in. I'll give you a view. Bit of a rate low. I have, innit? Don't look at the camera. Don't look at the camera. Just walk by it. See you. Not even there. Still going this way. The forest. Not that I wanted to be, but it was getting kind of the same over and over again. So now we're on the way up to Shuttingslow. I did want to talk more, but because it's just been one big hill, 95% of the time I've sounded like this, so I can't do it. Distance, it looks like there's been some of the wildfire happen. I don't know if you can see that on this camera, I can't really zoom. But over there it looks like it's some end product of what's been like either a controlled fire or a fire that happened and they managed to control. But it's mad. I'll do a little pan round with the camera and see if I can do it to show it you better, but apparently there's a digital zoom on this camera, I just haven't found out yet, so you just have to bear with me, I'm still learning all this stuff. Finally made it, but it's on road now. Never been a big fan of road walking, and I say made it, we just made it off the hill. And I presume we're going this way. I better check the map, Hannah. Yeah, we're in there, lad. So doing YouTube has always been a thing that I've always wanted to do. It's always been prevalent in my life. I've watched it for many years, I've been around the community, I've done jobs that kind of like include it. But doing it myself, I've always hit very, very low confidence with it. But it's always remained something that I've wanted to do, and I've just never done it. Or I've done a video here and there, called it, oh, first video back or whatnot, but decided this time I'm trying to approach it in a different way, just have fun with it, just be myself, not try and be something I'm not and do silly faces and silly accents, which of course is still a part of my personality, but I want it to be real, I want it to be more mellow this time. And with the hikes, hiking videos especially, it's a lot of scenery and the weather permitted, and it's based on what you see and what you talk about a lot. So if it mix in with some camping videos, whether that be wild camping or family camping, I'm hoping there'll be a bit of a difference, that it could be entertaining. I'm just looking off to the side, just seeing little bits of things here and there. No doubt while I'm talking to you I'll be going right off the path, so that's fucking interesting. So yeah, well, I've tried to do it, think of it this way, if I do these videos now, well, I'm 41 now, so I've definitely approached it a bit later on in life. But if I do these now, I'm creating a YouTube channel full of memories that future grandchildren or whatever can look at and see me doing these things, and you know, whether they want to do that, it's up to them. But I'll still have these videos there as memories. And yeah, kind of like that idea more than chasing views and chasing subscribers. Subscribe. So it's definitely helped helped my confidence with approach to this channel this time. Yeah, anyway, saw a person and had to shut down. I'm not quite at the confidence level of talking to a camera in front of people yet. So I hope that'll come with me keep doing it. And yeah, I watch a lot of people on YouTube who could just walk down the street talking to a camera like no one's there, and then stop and talk to people like it's just normal. And I guess in these days it kind of is normal. Everyone's online, aren't they? Everyone's watching videos that someone's recorded. But yeah, hopefully that'll be me soon. Tree's just medicked itself. Here we go with the Hayes outdoor quotes again. I swear I'll get me home one day. That won't be it. So we just sat down to have some scran and heard loads of voices and going on what I just talked about a minute ago. I managed half a sandwich and thought, no, we gotta go. I don't really want people to come around there, see a camera set up and me just sat on a log eating a sandwich. It sounds very normal when you say it out loud, but you know, confidence is in the toilet. And yeah, I just didn't want the... I don't know what they'd have thought, but they'd definitely thought something. I'm just over 1 kilometre of this walk left. I have to say it's not been that entertaining. I thought with it being a forest and that, it'd be really cool. You know what you get with a kind of forest kind of thing, but I've had better walks. It's not been entertaining in a sense. And I feel like the video is not going to be that good because there's not been that much to see. And I've talked about what I want to talk about, so yeah. I guess. There. I was literally just saying there wasn't anything to see, and then we've come over the road and back into the forest, and suddenly it's opened up to some amazing things again. You just can't predict these walks. I mean, look at this now. Ignore that horrible roadworks that completely destroy the aesthetic. What a place. If you've played Red Dead Redemption 2, and I think you'll agree, this is like tall trees, which is a part of the map where there's loads of tall trees. Clues in the name. What an epic little place. And, dare I say it, future wild camping spot. Possibly further into the wood though, because let's face it, there's a road there. actually really easy. Oh, look at this great shelter that someone's built. And we thought there was nothing to see on this walk. Would you do it though? Would you stay in it? I might, there you go. Take bag off. I can not just do this, mate. So go in and have a look. Oh, I definitely think it was built for kids. I definitely think. I'm in shelter, look. Brilliant this is. Better than I could do, to be honest. Well, I'll say that, but I've never tried to build one, so let's get out. We'll not wreck it. Someone's took hard work with that. Proper shelter. I ain't it. Gotta be ain't it, ain't you? Go the opposite way. Yeah. Get people that bag their dog's poo up and then just leave it like on the ground. And what's worse is the freaking car park's like 5 minutes away, if that, and they've just left it on the floor. Such a stupid thing to do. So we made it back, 2 hours, 4 minutes, 8 point something kilometres. Now I'll go and get my clocks back on, drive home. Subscribe.